Oh, you take on this scene, dog. You hear the pot bubbling over. Jano, what they inside this pot, huh? Remember what I said? Pot 2 of the curry shrimp. I wonder what this looking like right now. It's still cooking, but we're going to take on this scene right about now. Boom, bam, pot bubbling, dog. Take on this scene, man. I hope all you're taking on this scene, right? All kind of medicine in the pots. Curry shrimp, boy, with Trini Venom Hulk, right? Shrimp is cooked fast, man. This will be in what, next 20 minutes? What all you think, man? It's looking like it tasting good over. Huh? Alright, I decided to pour on the flash. Now you can see the true color of what's going on in this pot, right? Oh, can I melt? Take a bite, man. What piece of? Oh, you're taking on the scene going on here, right? Pot bubbling, boy, curry shrimp. But where's the next scene? Oh, where's that? Oh, the rice going in the pot now. Boom, bam. What's up bubbling, boy? Family, we don't eat white rice over here, right? It's too much starch. So we eat brown rice. All right, we gotta let the rice cook. Now back to the bowl. Pot bubbling, right? Smelling good. Smell like just the right seasoning there in it, right? Now, boy, I can eat a whole pot of curry shrimp. How about all you? Who here love curry shrimp? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm making all these videos and nobody's subscribing. If you're on TikTok, don't forget to follow, comments, tell me what all you think about curry and Trinidad cuisine. We gone. Boom, bam. And don't think you feel I forget about my Instagram. Or you're watching me cook. Or you're seeing all kind of thing I be doing in the gym, but nobody following me. Follow me back on the IG, now, man. It's free. They're not charging you, boy. It's free. Support the channel, support the profiles. That's all I ask. It's free, people. It's free. I ain't asking for no money.